Hello, everyone. My name is Catherine Ataylar, a passionate, dedicated, and enthusiastic educator. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education, major in Technology and Home Economics. I have earned my 36 units in Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management. I have been teaching as full-time third grade classroom teacher at RC Kimpo Elementary School, Davao City, Philippines for 17 years. With my experience teaching elementary learners, it has been a challenging yet a very rewarding profession. During the pandemic, I was one of the teacher broadcaster in our radio-based instruction in our district's third grade mathematics program. I also received a loyalty award in my 15 years of service and commitment in the Department of Education. I actively participated in developing a strategic intervention materials in science in third grade on list learn competency. I also have attended different trainings and workshops to enhance my professional growth and development as a teacher. In my professional roles, I serve as the district coordinator in the Boy Scout of the Philippines Kawan section, school coordinator in the digital learning program, in partnership with the AFLIP or the Australian Foundation Fostering Learning in the Philippines. I also contribute to the school improvement as the school coordinator in Brigada Escuela. I am motivated to participate in the Teach in the UAZ program as J1 teacher by the strong desire to contribute my skills and experience in the American education system with diverse learners. The opportunity to contribute my expertise while experiencing a new culture is incredibly motivating and exciting. It will enrich my teaching practice, broaden my perspective, and enhance my teaching skills. Thank you for considering my application. Thank you and mabuhay.